welcome back to my channel. I look a little messy because I just woke up. It's like nearly 11 o'clock, like noon. But it's first day back of work. So this video is gonna show with you what my first day back to work looks like, and it's the first video of 2025. So I am currently checking my emails and doing some resolutions on like an error that we're encountering, so and keeping up with my team members to see what are some of the action things that I need to do today, even though it's a Friday. But so yeah, I show you what it's like getting back to the first day back at work.
I can hear you.
Yay! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year to you as well. How's it going?
Struggling, but should be fine.
Let me log into my weekend and maybe we can do that VR task. I can show it to you those as well.
Yeah, the DR task. Yeah. How's your holidays?
It was fine. It was good.
Did you do anything?
How was yours?
It was okay.
No, nothing much. Just relaxed.
Now I have a break, so I will just get ready real quick so I can get my day started. Hello.
Hey Annie, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
How was your vacation and all?
It's okay. Very relaxing.
Nice.
How about you? How are you and your family? Do you have any fun plans?
We had, initially we were planning to drive to Florida and probably to Miami.
Wow, that's
Orlando and Miami. But
long drive.
But it never happened. We had a lot of visitors.
Yeah.
So we dropped the plan. But it was nice, having a lot of guests, We were playing host to multiple people.
Yeah.
So it was all nice.
That's fun. That sounds really fun. Holy crap. It's like already like 2 p.m. I just finished my meeting, which is like a 2 hours long meeting with a manager, because he was just showing me things, and then I'm so done. Like, I'm so freaking done. But I still have a lot of work left. So I'm just warmed up my food and then I will eat lunch. I just realized that it is currently snowstorm and we have no food at home. So here I am at the grocery stores. So I'm currently going shopping to buy food during the winter storm. I found these Korean bread, which is the sweet potato bread, and I also found the chestnut one, but I'm contemplating to see which bread should I buy, but I'm possibly leaning towards the sweet potato one. Another reason why I'm at the grocery store is to buy snacks. So I really love this honey butter chips, and of course I'm finding my sweet corn chips right here. I highly recommend these two chips if you have not tried them. So I'm currently at the second grocery store, which is the 99 Ranch, which sells all the fish balls, meatballs, sausage legs and stuff for hot pot tonight. I am eating hot pot with my family tonight, so that's why the other store, Kmart store, which is like a Korean store, doesn't have, so I have to drive here. So we got all the goodies, so now we're gonna go home and prep for dinner. Let me show you how big is the snowstorm and how cool it is. And I'm back. So we're gonna do a quick grocery haul of what I got at the market. So first we got this snacks. This is the corn sweet snacks, really good. For hot pot I got meat. Obviously this is the pork shabu shabu hot pot. Meat, this is pork, and then nó lẩu thì con cũng không biết chị Thư định làm gì. I also got mini sausage. This one is really good. It's a bit spicy with corn. I just found out they have this fish cake with like mochis, and then this shrimp rolls ball for hot pot. And then this is absolutely my favorite. Everyone should get it. It's like the fish roll balls. Of course, we cannot miss out naba cabbage. This is tofu skin. This is really good, so I got 2 of them. I also have some mushroom, which is not videoed. I forgot about that, but yeah. For hot pot, my brother ended up making this. This is kimchi hot pot with a lot of mushrooms. Yeah, it's a very cozy dinner at home, regardless of the snowstorm and first day back to work. Có ở bên em. Dạ. Bơ ăn không? Bơ đang ngồi ăn cùng mọi người nè. I am back after finishing all the work and then had dinner. I with my family, I went home and showered, and then I got a little bit hungry, so I'm also gonna eat the snacks that I have at home, which is the sweet corn flavored chips. I highly recommend. If you want to get this, it is in the Asian grocery stores. I believe H Mart or any Asian grocery store should have it. So let's do a mini chat. Since it's New Year and getting back to work has been really interesting, because it's like, if you don't know, let me give you an overview. But why I do a get back to work with me is because Deloitte has this really special name, which is like a Deloitte disconnect, where it's essentially like a free PTO. So usually we have the biggest disconnect in the end of December, which is like the Christmas, New Year's holiday. So for us, we had a Deloitte disconnect since December 25th to beginning all the way to January 1st, January 2nd. And in my office, a lot of people are obviously on vacation since December 23rd all the way until the end of like the weekend, which is like all the way until like the 2nd or 3rd of January. So a lot of people on vacation. It's not a surprise. So as New Year, first day of work back, I think it's best to specify or come up with New Year resolutions. I already have New Year resolution for my own work and for my personal, but I don't want to share too much. Just in case it didn't, just in case if it's like jinx and then it may not work out. But overall, my resolutions for work in 2025 is mainly just be out of my comfort zone a little bit more, socialize more, communicate more, network more, yeah, and hopefully continue to grow with the team. So yeah, I think that will be a wrap for the vlog this week. It is short and sweet. It is my first day back to work, bonus the snowstorm. So I really hope you like this short and sweet clip. I promise next week will be a really interesting vlog. Please hit that subscribe, like this videos, and I will see you next week. Bye now.